Received the frame from AliExpress. It came in this 3.5 kilogram box. Box itself is a little bit damaged, but nothing serious. Frame is well wrapped with foam and accessories are taped at the bottom. Paint job is very good, with only minor scratches near bottom headset bearing and seat collar. Bottom bracket looks clean, no loose carbon fibers. Head tube is good too. Inside of the frame carbon is smooth. Port at the bottom is well made, but holes are drilled rough. Seat tube fits perfectly. Size L frame weights 1,190 grams. With the accessories is included through axle, 53 grams. Seat post collar, 22 grams. Bottom bracket for 24mm axle, 119 grams. Headset, 102 grams. Headset includes top cap and star nut, top cover, 2 shims, compression ring, top and bottom bearings, crown race for tapered steering tube, and adapter for straight steering tube. Top bearing fits perfectly without rattling. Bottom bearing fits even tighter. Bottom bracket uses standard 6805 bearings, easy to replace. I measured frame bottom bracket hole with vernier caliper and it is perfect 46mm, but included bottom bracket measures 46.1mm. I thought it will be the problem, but it pressed in easily and crank spin smoothly. Smallish chain ring is close to the chain stay, but middle one and the large one can fit even larger.